I love romanticizing my life. One of the easiest ways I find to do that is by making ordinary things look beautiful. Something as simple as changing out Coco's food from plastic bags to these pretty clear glass jars with bamboo lids make me really happy and changes my whole mood every time I see them. The following clips are a compilation of vlogs and videos that I took over the past few days as I updated my apartment, got new curtains, got some groceries, and so much more. So grab a drink and enjoy. Hello, okay, so this is the first time since my last vlog, which was my apartment tour vlog. I finally have my tripod with me, thank God. And you can see in the back here, I got my fridge. So last time you saw this, it did not have my fridge. And I'm so excited because I really just can't wait for here to feel like home. I just want to feel that cozy home feeling, like, you know, when you're home and you just come home and you love it. So I just can't wait for here to look like that. Right now, all of the junk is on this side, so I have to go ahead and throw that outside. And today I'm also going to be putting up curtains. My boyfriend should be coming over in a little while to help me put up the curtains, and I'm so excited because I have so many windows here, like you guys saw. If you didn't see my apartment tour, you can go ahead and watch that. But it has so many windows, which I'm so thankful for because I love the natural light. I mean, I love it. So during the day you can't see inside, but in the night you can see like right through if the lights are on. So that is the only thing, but I am so excited and I can't wait to like finally see curtains in here. I feel like if that's just one step, I also went ahead and ordered groceries from my favorite online store, Bel Air, and they actually called me telling me that it was ready. I'm starting to do little things slowly to make me feel like at home, make me feel peaceful, make me feel happy to be here. So I feel like if stocking up on some non-perishable items would make sense, I would stock up on like fruits and vegetables when I'm actually here for sure, so that I wouldn't waste. So this is my fridge. I love it. I just can't wait to like put stuff in it. Of course, I still have all of these things that I have to take off, like all of the plastic stuff. So I can probably go ahead and do that. Obviously, it doesn't have anything in it, but I'm still so excited. I can't wait to have the curtains up. Like, it's just so exciting to me. Curtains make me so happy. Everything just makes me so happy. I really hope that everything comes together because this is my first time like buying all curtains and all rods and all that crazy stuff. I'm so excited though. So these are my new curtains. I was obsessed with having like a hotel kind of vibe in my apartment. So I wanted airy, fairy and dreamy, which is such my style. I got bamboo curtains and these beautiful sheer ones, and I just love the way it transforms my space. It gives me privacy, but it also looks so beautiful. A lot of light still comes in, and I really am happy, honestly. Every time I see them, it is exactly what I wanted for my space, and I just don't really want a lot of color, to be honest. I want a lot of nudes and neutrals in my space with some pops of pink. That's the only color, and I really do love how these curtains look and the way it makes my entire space feel. So my apartment was really dusty because it had so many like junk from the fridge, from deliveries. So I'm just cleaning everything up. One thing I told myself was that I am going to keep this apartment with only things that make me feel happy, that really spark joy. I don't want a lot of clutter or anything like that. And I was really excited to just get rid of this junk so I could start actually setting up my space and really helping me get that cozy home feeling that I really want to have. So again, some of my intentions for 2022 is to really eat healthy, especially since I'm living on my own now and I'm kind of in control about what I bring home to put in my fridge to have in my body. So I ordered a lot of wholesome things that I really would love to eat. Of course, not everything is like 100% healthy, but I have like bread. Ice cream is my favorite snack, so that is my one snack I have. I have tuna, some vegetables, bagels, taco shells, just things that I really love and I cannot wait to make. So one of the things that I'm going to be making is some pasta. I will show you guys a little bit about it, but this is just some of the few things that I picked up to start stocking up my fridge with. I have some frozen strawberries, mayo, I have a Brita filter because I needed that, and I had some cleaning supplies as well. Just basic things. I'm still working on my grocery list, my permanent grocery list, and things that I really want to always have in my home. So it's just a learning process, but it is so much fun. And don't worry, I will keep you guys in the loop and let you guys know everything that I'm buying and how I'm going and what I'm shopping for and things that I absolutely need to have in my apartment. I'm making some pasta. Pasta is just a feel-good food for me. So I am adding some pasta sauce, cheese, lemon juice, spinach, and vegetables just to make it a little bit more nourishing for myself. Everything in moderation, I like to say. And I have as my intention, like I was telling you guys, to really eat food that I love and enjoy and that nourishes my body and doesn't make me feel guilty when I eat it. So I had such a good time making this pasta. And I cleaned up right after it, and there is Coco. She's like my shadow and I love her so much. I'm so obsessed. She comes and sits and watches me wash dishes. It is the cutest thing ever. I am so obsessed with her. Now that I was kind of settled down, my kitchen was clean, I ate something nice, got groceries. I wanted to sit down, write my intentions and goals for 2022. I'm such a planner person. I love my goals. I'm so goal oriented, as you guys probably know. I also worked on my dream board. I love doing those. I even have workshops at my stationery boutique, you know, all about dream boards, all about goal setting. And yeah, I can always talk to you guys a little bit more if that is something that you're interested in. But that is basically my little wrap up of this video and all the details, all the catching up. Now that I'm kind of settled down or settling into my apartment, I can't wait to bring you more content like this. So I hope that you like it. And if you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more like this. I don't want you to miss out on anything, all the apartment updates and all that fun stuff. Comment down below and let me know what are your 2022 intentions or goals. I would love to read it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.